Welcome to Strategic Roadmaps. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a blank roadmap from scratch and get your first items in, step by step. Let's get started. When you log into Strategic Roadmaps, the first thing you'll see is your roadmaps homepage. This is your dashboard. It's where all of your roadmaps live, including ones you've created, ones shared with you, and your recently viewed roadmaps. You'll also see any roadmaps you've favorited here. You can always get back to the roadmaps homepage by clicking Roadmaps in the left navigation panel. We're going to learn how to create a blank roadmap today. To do this, click the plus roadmap button in the top right corner. You'll see a few options. New roadmap, that starts you completely from scratch and is what we'll be doing today. New from template gives you a head start with over 30 pre-built roadmap types, each loaded with recommended fields that you can customize. This is great if you want a structured starting point. And new portfolio lets you pull multiple roadmaps together into one high-level view. This is helpful when you need to see the big picture across teams or initiatives. For now, we'll select New Roadmap. In the dialog box, you'll have two fields to fill in. First, give your roadmap a title. Make it something descriptive that you and your team will recognize. Next, set your fiscal year end. This is the month your fiscal year closes, and it lets Strategic Roadmaps know how to structure the calendar on your roadmap. You can always update this later in your settings. When you're ready, click Create. Your roadmap is now created, and you're in the table view. This is where you'll manage your roadmap data. Because we started from scratch, it's empty here, but you'll notice two default fields already appear in the header row: item title and date. Every roadmap has these two fields, and they can't be removed. They're the foundation everything else is built on. Now let's get some data in here. If you already have your roadmap data in a spreadsheet, like we do today, the fastest way to get it into Strategic Roadmaps is by importing a CSV file. You can also manually add items by clicking Add Item in the table view, or you can go to your quick actions and add items from here. You can also import your CSV file from these two spots. In the import dialog, click Browse to grab your file. You'll then see this field mapping screen. This is where you match your CSV columns to the fields in your roadmap. Once you've reviewed your mappings, click Next and click Import as New. Then click Update and Overwrite All, and there it is. Your roadmap items are now loaded and ready to work with in the table view. That's it. In just a few steps, you've created a blank roadmap and imported your data from a CSV file. From here, you can start adding fields, building out views, and sharing your roadmap with your team. Thanks for watching!